Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you the right way to promote any product on medium.com. Alright, so if you want to promote like affiliate links, affiliate products, so if you want to promote affiliate products, courses, or you want people to, follow you on any platform, you can use Medium to promote or to create awareness. But I've realized a lot of people are complaining about it simply because they are not doing it the right way, or they are not approaching this platform the right way. Okay, all right, so hear me out. This platform is not for affiliate promotion or to promote yourself or whatsoever. It's a platform to share your stories, and it's for people who like reading, and they pay $5 a month to be able to have unlimited access to all the stories on this platform. But you can promote anything at all that you want, especially like affiliate product. But if you don't do it the right way, they're gonna delete your account. Medium will not promote even your stories. That doesn't mean you cannot promote affiliate links on Medium. It's just that you have to do it the right way. Okay, so I'll give you a simple tip to use, because every now and then they keep changing their system. Okay, they keep updating, and because at the end of the day they want people to stay on their platform, and that's how they make money. Okay, but if you're gonna be sending people away all the time, it's not good for their business. So how do you do that? And by the way, you can sign up for free. Okay, you don't need to be a member to be able to use this platform. You can only, unless you want to make money specifically with Medium affiliate program, then yeah. But if you want to read, you have to pay $5 membership program, and as well to become an affiliate member for Medium, and as well to become affiliate member for this platform, yeah, you have to pay $5. But either than that, you can sign up and share your stories for free. Okay, all right, so let me show you how. So first, you need to create stories. Okay, like share stories with the aim of serving members of this platform, not you, not for your interest, just to serve people. So I'll show you what I mean. So when you check one of my stories, 8 passive income ideas to make money online. Okay, now, I created this article October 17, 2021, and right away, like I told you, I'm a member of this platform. And when you check here, this is my Medium affiliate link. Okay, so if somebody click here and sign up for $5 a month, I'll earn 50% of it. Okay, which is $2.50 minus processing fee, so I'll get like almost $2.30. And believe me, like the numbers can add up. Okay, so don't underestimate that. So when you check my article, and by the way, my article is 6 minutes long. When you check my article, I have everything that I need to have. And this is when people read your article and they like it and they try to highlight. All right, so somebody read it and highlighted, and okay, so I'll show you. So as you can tell, I don't have any link. Okay, no link, nothing. So that's how I've been running these stories and getting more views. Okay, I'm just trying to scroll down slowly just so you can see. All right, no link, no link. The only link I have is the affiliate link again, which is this one. And like I said, I posted this story since October last year, or October 2021. So now I will show you what to do, okay, and the right way to do it. So as you can tell, I will go here. So the platform has changed. So depending on the time you'll be watching this video, it might change again, who knows. So I'll go here, okay, more, click on it, and I'll edit story. All right, so now, by the way, I have a lot of tutorials on how to run this platform, or how to write stories on this platform, and again how to promote affiliate links. I will make sure I'll drop all the links under this video in the comment section. Okay, I'll drop the links in the description box, so do check it out. So I'll scroll down, and right now it's about passive income, so which means how to make money online. So which means I can promote how to make money online on this story, affiliate marketing, digital products, how to run online store, like anything at all to do with online marketing, including side hustle. Okay, so I'm not limited to what I can promote through this story. So I'll scroll down and I'll try to find the right spot And I believe the best way to do this is to put your link. Okay, so this is the end of the story. So what I will do, you see, this is the last part of the story because it's about 8 ideas. So what I can do prior to the 8th, which means the person is interested, and sometimes people can scroll down, they will not read through, but they will just scroll down and they would like to find out what the whole story is about. So what I will do, I can normally, it's good to put it here, but sometimes people don't read all the way down, so I'll go a little bit up, and before this, click here, enter. You see this? Work from home. How to start a successful online business and make money working from home. So I'll go back and I'll type, this creates awareness. So I'll just keep it simple like this. And what I'll do next, I'll go back here, copy this link, right click, copy, and go back. And I'll highlight everything and click on this link, right click, paste, and enter. Okay, so then I'll highlight again and I'll bold it. So let's say if this is an affiliate link, then what I'll do, I'll just, before I do this, I'll just click here and I'll say, so this is what is required by medium.com. Okay, and most of the people, they put their affiliate link and they don't drop this disclaimer. Okay, this is a disclaimer you have to include beside all your links. Okay, but in my case, I don't need to do this, so I'll just delete it because this is not the final sales page, so I don't need to include my affiliate link when I'm promoting this page. Okay, and as you can tell, I'm promoting other stuff like number 1 tool for online business, at the same time my YouTube channel. All right, so when I go back here, I don't need to worry about affiliate link. Then what I'll do next, I'll click save and publish. Please make sure the story that you'll be promoting is not someone else's story. Okay, it has to be plagiarism free story anytime. Please don't forget this. So I'll scroll all the way down and I'll try and find it. Let me close this. And also, I advise people to do it this way rather than putting the affiliate link, because when you have the word affiliate link all the time, it's not even good. Yeah, so that reminds me, if you don't know how to create landing pages or sales page, I'll drop a tutorial in the description box how to create a free landing page, especially for beginners who don't have the budget for that. But if you have the money, I'll drop a email marketing link that you can use to run a successful email marketing campaign. All right, so do check down. I'll have a couple of links for you. But if you don't know how to use this platform, I have tutorials on it. I'll drop it in the description box. The last thing I would like to talk about is how you can make money promoting this particular platform, which is Medium. So like I said, I'm a member because I like to read unlimited stories. At the same time, I'm an affiliate, and I'll show you the income so far on this story. So I'll go to story stats. So far, I've earned $19.79, and people read average 2 minutes and 34 seconds, and I have 1,300 plus views. Okay, so just to let you know that you can make money 2 ways: by promoting the affiliate product and running your own affiliate campaigns at the same time, and also collecting emails. Okay, so for the start, so thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.